Are you tired of constantly replacing batteries in your solar garden lights? Today, I'm reviewing the GEILIENERGY Solar Light Batteries AA 600 mAh Rechargeable NICD Pack of 20. These batteries are specifically designed for solar-powered devices, but also work as standard rechargeable AAs. First, let's talk about their multiple uses. They're perfect for solar garden lights from brands like Intermatic and Malibu, but you can also use them in TV remotes, wireless mice, keyboards, game controllers, and more. They replace standard 1.5 volts alkaline batteries, saving you money and reducing waste. The capacity is impressive. These 1.2 volt NICD batteries have a real capacity higher than labeled, meaning your devices run longer on a single charge. Unlike some rechargeables, they won't lose maximum capacity over time. Installation is easy. Just remember to keep your solar light switch on. To maximize battery life, fully discharge them each time before recharging. For solar lights, replace batteries at dusk, let them run all night, and they'll fully charge in 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. In my tests, these batteries performed excellently. My garden lights stayed bright for hours. They're also cost-effective. A one-time purchase replaces hundreds of disposables. Dimensions are 14.2 millimeters diameter by 50 millimeters long, fitting most devices. However, note that NICD batteries require proper disposal due to cadmium content. Consider the environment and recycle them. Compared to NIMH batteries, NICD has lower capacity, but handles high-drain devices well and has a longer cycle life if maintained properly. Overall, if you need reliable solar garden light batteries or versatile rechargeable AAs, the GEILIENERGY Pack is a solid choice. They're affordable, practical, and eco-friendly. Highly recommended.